This is a review of Gemara Nazir Daf Vav, and we pick it up from the Machlokes Bar Pada and Rav Masna. What is the basic term of Nazirus? The Mishnah said Stam Nazirus 30 days. So Rav Masna says it says 30 days. Basic Nazirus is 30 days. Why? Yihi Yud Gematria 30. Says Bar Pada, no. It says the word Nazir Nizra 29 times in the Torah. Stam Nazirus is 29 days. What's 30? On day 30, you get the haircut. When we're going to have Rekairis, that mean day 30, Bar Pada is going to answer, that's if you said Shleimim. And whenever we're going to be one day earlier, according to Rav Masna, we're going to say Mixas Hayom Kekuloi. So 4 lines from the bottom of Haim and the basic Gemara is another kasha. It says Vamanazah 30 days. That im gilach yom lamid lo yatsa. So what is Bar Pada going to answer? Says the Gemara, Ba'imer Shleimim. Again, because you said a complete 30 days, and therefore even Bar Pada will agree that it has to not be 29 but 30 days. Another Mishnah, 3 lines on the bottom. Someone is an Nazir, 2 in Nazirus. The first one is on day 31, and the second one is day 61. Says the Gemara, according to Rav Masna, it's golden. It's a 30-day Nazirus, and everything is great. But as we move over to Vavam and Aleph, ask the Gemara, what is Bar Pada going to answer? Says Bar Pada, like he said on Daf, hey, let's look at the Seifa. The Seifa says that if you did the first one on day 30, then the next one could be on day 60. So says Bar Pada, that's mamish like me, that it's a 29-day Nazirus. 30, you get a haircut. A 29-day Nazirus. 60, you get a haircut. So says Bar Pada, what am I going to do with the Reisha? Again, you said Shleimim, so it has to be a full 30 days. What does Rav Masna do with the Sefer? The Sefer seemingly said it's 29 days. Rav Masna says it always has to be 30. Says Rav Masna, the Sefer says, Yom Shleishim Ayla Lekan Ulekan. Rav Masna is going to answer that the 30th day counts as the end of the first term, the beginning of the second term. Says the Gemara, well, how does that happen? Mixas Hayom Kekuloi. Part of the day is considered a whole day, but we already learned that, didn't, as we said. Answers the Gemara, we only learned Mixas Hayom Kekuloi for 1 Nazirus. How do you know 2? That is the extra chiddush. And we continue asking questions. Says in the Mishnah, Im Gilach on the 60th day minus 1. Day 59, it's okay. Why? Because the 30th day, so says the Gemara, according to Rav Masna, that's mamish. Rav Masna keeps telling us, Mixas Hayom Kekuloi. But according to Bar Pada, what's the chiddush? Of course, because it's only a 29 days in the Nazirus, 30 haircut, 29 days in the Nazirus, that's day 59. So why would the Mishnah have to say it? Answers Bar Pada, I don't understand. This is Anoah Samchi. This is Mamish my Mekar. We continue 3 lines to the bottom with another question. If someone says, I'm a Nazir, and he becomes Tameh on the 30th day, says the Mishnah, Soiser es HaKol. According to Rav Masna, that makes a lot of sense, because you didn't finish your full 30 days. But according to Bar Pada, why is it Soiser HaKol? Why does it mess up everything? Seemingly, according to Bar Pada, it should have been finished after day 29. We move over to Vav and Beis, in which Bar Pada answers, look at the Seifa. Rav Eliezer in the Seifa says only Soiser 7, meaning it's not Soiser at all, but rather you just have to wait 7 days to become pure and then bring the Karbanis. So if you're going to tell me that that you need a full 30 days like you Rav Masna, what is Rav Eliezer going to say? Rav Eliezer answers, Mixas Hayom Kekuloi. That's why once you have part of day 30, that's all you're going to need. That is how Bar Pada explains. We continue with another Mishnah. It says if I'm a Nazir for 100 days, what happens if I become tummy on the 100th day? It says Rav Eliezer, it's 30 days. Explains the Gemara. If you're going to tell me Rav Eliezer holds Mixas Hayom Kekuloi like you just said, so why do I need another 30 days? It should be just like the other Mishnah. And how longer should I need? Another 7 days. And if you don't hold Mixas Hayom Kekuloi, I should need the whole term period of 100 days. Answers the Gemara, Rav Eliezer does not hold Mixas Hayom Kekuloi. So if he doesn't hold Mixas Hayom Kekuloi, so then becoming on day 100 should mess up the whole thing. Says Reish Lakish, a special chiddush within Rav Eliezer. Says the Torah Zois. This is the Torah of the Nazir, and it said B'yoim Elois Yemei Nizr, in the day of the completion of the Nazir. Says Reish Lakish, from here we learn out a special din that if someone becomes Tameh at the end of his Naziros on the Yom Mil'ois, the Torah is teaching us 10 lo yemei nizrai, he gets a 30-day Nazirus. We don't know Mixas Hayom Kekuloi, a special Xeris I cost if you come tummy in the last day, says Rav Eliezer. You need to wait another 30 days. Says the Gemara, let's suggest That's a machlokes. Bar Pada 29 days Naziris. Rav Masna 30 days Naziris is the following machlokes, as we quote, Ad Melois Hayomim. So what does this mean? The meat of Yom is 2. So therefore Torah says, Kaddish Gadol Para. What is Gidol Para? To grow over here has to be 30 days, says Rabbi Yeshaya. Just like Rav Masna. Rav Yonasan says no. It says Ad Milois, you have to complete the month. 29 and a half days is every Jewish month. So it's 29 days. So says the Gemara, maybe Rav Yonasan is like Bar Pada, and Rav Yeshaya is like Rav Masna. Says the Gemara, nothing doing. Don't tell me that Rav Masna is like Rav Yeshaya and Bar Pada is like Rav Yonasan, because Rav Masna can explain, really everyone agrees that you need 30, says Rav Masna, and I don't only work with the opinion of Rav Yeshaya. I could even agree with the opinion of Rav Yonasan, because the machlokes, Rav Yonasan and Rav Yeshaya is a different machlokes. It's whether we include the last day, ad ve'ad bechlal, including that day, or ad ve'loy ad bechlal. We'll pick up from here in the next review, b'siyata dishmaya.